Yes, guys. Welcome back to Nature Kid here. Yeah? At the lifestyle. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let's climb over 1,000 subscribers for that video. You know what I mean? In a real life.
But
Yes. Hello. Hi.
yeah, we have.
Herb store. Ganja. General Nam, big up yourself, my Dan. Real way on the Miami side, you know what I mean? In a real life.
Excuse me. Does anybody have a question? Any questions for the bus?
Yeah, man, another day in the city. I'll go through and keep it jiggy. See it? Mommy drop the igloo. We flag up on tour bus.
Disculpa por molesta, no te entiendo. Sí, digamos, pero antes de pasar
Roll through the city with no joke. Nature Kid there, you know. Up to the time. Down to the minute.
Manito, el episodio. No, yo la traía anda porque me pesa mucho. Así que yo viaje. Vamos a cagar esos 30 libras y que pase una foto con un desgraciado de esos se me antoja. 4%.
Rolling deep in the deep blue sea. Smoking Philip blunts. Good boy drinking NC.
La foto para
Giờ nó ngắm hết tưởng thôi. They say that's how we do it as a king. Anything you say me start, well, you know, we have to win. As some real hot pebbles can big stone we not fling. Yeah, when Nature Kid sing. We don't wear nothing unless a bling bling. I don't know how the thing go, what me bring. Real and proper. See it there? And the double R, you know? The rose in the rice. I eat, man. Nice car killer. Prestige. Real and proper.
Es que yo le avisé.
A lifestyle. I love that Kiara.
Dice que solo
Everybody out today.
Be nice now.
Spider-Man, let it go.
You got lucky.
Yeah, man. That's how we say we a live life. And a joke me a make. When they see me out here and a life me a take, me just a live life. And I go and do my thing because you know, say nature kid, you know, me born as a king. Live life. Go and do my thing. Me not afraid of nobody big stone, me not fling. Live life. Rastafari, you know it go. Bless up. That's a star. A star, don't it? Shout out my channel, Nature Kid Way.
Hello, how you doing? Hi.
The beautiful lady
Thank
right
you,
here, you know what I'm
thank you.
saying?
Have a good
One
one.
love, blessed
One
love, yeah?
Blessing.
Ah. Rolling in real life. Spider-Man, what go on? Respect you. Bless up. Yeah, man, you have to hang with the celebrity, them and the superstar when I see them in the town. Make them know, say, we like the town. See you later. Me say enough of them can't believe. Say Nature Kid a lock the city. What's up? What if of them can't believe a Nature Kid around the town? What me say? Subscribe to the channel. Damn, girl.
I'm
Why you suck the fucking thing like that? 2737. Me say one heap of them can't believe. So nature kid a lock the town. And while them want to flex like a clown.
I know, it's so interesting right now.
Yeah man, the sun red out today, you know, people. Blazing, you know. Yeah.
And let me know about the game tonight.
Yeah, no, it's game small.
In a real life, big up yourself in a real life. All of my fans them around the world, big up on them myself. Nature Kid, love you know. Subscribe to the channel, keep it real. Amen. What you want from me?
Why you pick me and you got
Yes, sir. I did my picket duty already. Big up to the carpet. Yo, my boy, what up, son? Look at my buck up out here. My G, what I going? I did my picket duty already, bro.
Oh, you did it?
Yeah, I did it a couple weeks ago. Me and Tony and them went over that big shit they got over there.
You were with Tony for a while, were you?
Yeah.
787?
Yes, 787, I'm over there.
Very cool, right?
Yeah? Yeah, man. Union proud. Check out my channel, Nature Kid Way on YouTube.
Okay.
Subscribe.
Okay. No problem, man.
Yeah, man. I did my shit weeks ago.
Pretty good.
You know, it was so much people, Joe. I see so much people I ain't seen in years. You know?
Pretty good for that.
Yeah. Big up on yourself. Represent the union. I love the union. The union. Everything I own in life is from carpentry, man. You know what I'm saying? We have to love the union, you know? Represent for the carpenters, straight. We want to get Champion League. You know Champion League today.
Oh, okay.
The second leg. I want to go catch some of that.
Go ahead. Talk to you,
Respect.
right?
All right, good to see you, man. Yeah. Yeah, man. Big big up on a damn self, you know. Represent for the union, the carpenter union. You hear that? In a real life. Yeah, man. Real and proper, steel and copper. You know the damn thing, go. Tell it here. In a real life, you know, nature can roll through the city, you know. Remember, good man. Yeah? Chop. Oh, that Red Lobster. Yeah. Yeah, but shit, look at that.
1 minute.
Rasta.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Always a real life, you know. Souvenir store, this, you know. Souvenir. Look at this. Yes, Father, give thanks and praise to them beautiful day, you know. In a real life. The sun has shined, the people I'm out. You see me?
Yeah,
Look at that, man. In a real life, you're not partial. Boy, fire late. No, you go. Yeah. See? Blackbush. Yeah, man, in a real life, you know. Jump on a train and hit a Brooklyn side, you know. Thing going, you know, the chop. See it, yeah. Chop, 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 chop. Yeah, man. So, you know. New York City underground world is, you know, in a real life. Yeah.
There is a downtown express 2 train to Flushing College. Approaching the station, please stand away from the platform edge. There is a downtown local 1 train to South Ferry. Approaching the station, please stand away from the
patience.
Yes, my people, like, share, and subscribe. The nature can way. See? Blessed.